Okay. Is it, I don't know. All right, so we're going to be doing a lesson on persuasive techniques. So our description is this activity will help students understand persuasive techniques and how they are used. So for our introduction, we're just, so using their persuasive terms, they're going to be creating a persuasive speech within their groups. And so we're kind of, for the introduction, we're kind of just giving them examples. We have something from Martin Luther King and we have something from Donald Trump. And we want them to answer the essential questions in the Google Docs where they plan on creating their speeches. So this will kind of get them just introduced to what they are going to be doing themselves. Okay, so here we want them to read the introduction and create a Word doc to answer the essential questions. And then under the process tab, we have the terms that we want them to use. They're going to pick a topic under one of these links. And then there's a link to guidelines for writing a persuasive essay, just kind of helping out with structure and everything, to format their sentences and their paragraphs, kind of the essential questions that they have to ask themselves when they're creating their speeches. So yeah, they just pick a topic from one of these.
All right, so here are some of the persuasive techniques and the vocab that they kind of need to know to understand this. So they're going to be applying this in their speeches, which will eventually turn into papers. But with their group, they're going to pick out a couple of these and work to apply that to their topic. So that is for process. And then as far as evaluation, they're submitting their speeches online, and then they will also be reading them in front of the class. This will help the other students to be able to identify persuasive techniques in other people's speeches as well as within their own. And that's all we have.
And then we'll just ask the groups that are listening to their speeches to identify the persuasive techniques used to see how they're understanding the concept.